Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can see your top artists on Spotify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys in the top, you're gonna find your notifications, here you're gonna find friend activity, and right here you're gonna find your profile icon. If you click on it from here, you can access your account, go to your profile, you can upgrade to premium, start a private session, and go to your settings. Here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. Right here, you're going to find the home page. Here, you're going to find the search section. And right here, you're going to find your library. So right now, in order to be able to see your top artists, all you need to do, guys, is click on your profile icon. Then go ahead and click on your profile. Once you're here in the profile page, the first thing that you're going to find right here is your top artists this month. So basically, guys, this is the easiest way to see your top artists. You can also see your top tracks this month. You can also, right here, as you can see, you guys see all of your public playlists. You can see your followers and also your following. If you want to make your top artists private, all you need to do, guys, is go ahead and click on your profile icon. Then go ahead and click on settings. Once you're here, just scroll down a little bit. Right here in social, you're gonna find publish my new playlist on my profile. You can enable this or disable it. Here you're gonna find start a private session, share my listening activity on Spotify. Right here you're gonna find show my recently played artists on my public profile. Go ahead and disable this option. Then you're gonna hide your recent or top artist. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.